What's up everyone, CS Adventures here, back with another video, and today we're at the top of the Skyline trail at Mount Penn. This is going to be my first run after a year, second time ever, so we're gonna do this thing. We're on the Insta 360 X3 on the chin mount, so let's get started. Super wet. And there you have it. I mean, some of those jumps are enormous. They're huge. It was first run. So stay tuned for more videos like this. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching.